Top 10 largest train station in the world 2024. Number 10. London Waterloo Station in UK. 170,000 square meters. Number 9. Grand Central Terminal in USA. 194,000 square meters. Number 8. Berlin Hauptbahnhof in Germany. 230,000 square meters. Number 7. Moscow-Leningradsky Railway Station in Russia. 250,000 square meters. Number 6. Hamburg Hauptbahnhof in Germany. 408,000 square meters. Number 5. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus in India. 417,000 square meters. Number 4. Paris Gare du Nord in France. 475,000 square meters. Number 3. Beijing West Railway Station in China. 1.06 million square meters. Number 2. Tokyo Station in Japan. 1.5 million square meters. Number 1. Shinjuku Station in Japan. 2.3 million square meters.